Did you lose weight on Ozempic or Mounjaro only to see the scale creep back up the moment you stopped? It's not your lack of willpower, it's the biology of the drug. I see patients from the United States every day here in Tijuana who are frustrated. They've spent thousands on injections, but these meds are often a forever rent. Once you stop, the hunger returns with a vengeance. GLP-1s work while they are in your system, but they don't fix the underlying metabolic signals. That's where bariatric surgery is different. It's a permanent metabolic reset that changes your hunger hormones for good. In 2026, the math is clear. Why pay $1,000 a month indefinitely when you can make a one-time investment in your health? In Tijuana, you get world-class surgical care at a fraction of the cost of USA. My patients aren't just losing weight, they are gaining freedom from weekly shots and the yo-yo cycle. They are taking control of their lives permanently. Stop the cycle. If you're ready for a permanent solution, click the link in my bio to book a virtual consultation. Let's see if a reset is right for you.